Hello students, hope you all are fine. I am Ms. Nehali Topiwala, your EVS teacher. We will start with our second part of the chapter 8, a treat for mosquitoes. Now in the second part we are going to see about some baby mosquitoes. What are baby mosquitoes, what are they called, and how are they treated? And some scientist experiment we will see what they have did in what they have did to find out how malaria has been caused. So there was a scientist named Ronald Rose, who has find this scientifically found out that how malaria has been caused by mosquitoes. So let's start with our part 2, that is for chapter 8, a treat for mosquitoes. Baby mosquitoes. Just kidding. There is a poster on a malaria just outside our class. Everyone goes out to look. So you must have also seen some posters that are kept on the roadside or outside the school or like that. Now during this COVID-19, you must have seen the posters of COVID-19 awareness, that is wash your hands regularly, use sanitizer, maintain social distancing. All this kind of posters you must have also seen, because now the season of corona is going on, so you must have seen the posters related to that only, like wear your mask, don't go outside, don't touch anybody, do this, do that, what all the outcomes and how to cure it, how to take precautions are regarding such kind of posters are kept outside on the road so that people get aware of it. So there is a poster also kept of awareness regarding malaria. Are you inviting mosquitoes? Beware, they spread malaria, dengue, chikungunya. Don't let water collect around you. Fill up the pits. So what are the precautions you have to take to spread the disease of malaria, dengue, chikungunya? So they are making you aware that beware means ध्यान रखो अपना, ये सारी चीज़ें मत करो. डोंट लेट वाटर कलेक्ट अराउंड यू. फिल द पिट्स मतलब पानी को अपने आसपास जमा होने के लिए मत छोड़ो. यू हैव टू फिल द पिट्स, जो गड्ढे हैं उसको भर दो. कीप द वाटर पॉट्स, कूलर एंड टैंक्स क्लीन. दे शुड बी ड्राइड एवरी वीक. वाटर टैंक्स हो या पॉट्स हो या कूलर हो, जो भी आपके घर में भी मटके हो पानी के, तो उनको आपको एवरी वीक धो के अच्छे से सुखा के रखने हैं ताकि उसके अंदर कोई जर्म्स ना आ जाए. पुट फिश इन द पॉन्ड सो दैट दे ईट द मस्किटोज लार्वे. फिश जो होती है उसको आपको पॉन्ड्स के अंदर छोड़ देनी है ताकि उसमें जो छोटे छोटे मस्किटोज़ होते हैं उसे लार्वे बोलते हैं. जो छोटे छोटे मस्किटोज़ होते हैं उसे लार्वे बोलते हैं. तो दे ईट अप दैट मस्किटोज़. यूज़ मस्किटो नेट्स टू प्रोटेक्ट योर सेल्फ. मच्छरदानी जो हम बोलते हैं उसमें सोना चाहिए. स्प्रे ऑयल इफ़ वाटर हैज़ कलेक्टेड एट सम प्लेस. आपको ऑयल हो या केरोसिन हो उसको स्प्रे करना है अगर वहाँ पे पानी जमा हो जाता है वहाँ उस जगह पे, सो दैट मस्किटोज डोंट सिट ऑन दैट एंड दे डोंट स्प्रेड एनीथिंग. Rajat, the poster says something about larvae. What are those? तो पोस्टर इज सेइंग समथिंग अबाउट लार्वे. बोल रहा है कि लार्वे के बारे में कुछ बता रहे हैं. तो व्हाट आर लार्वे? Nancy, they are baby mosquitoes, but they do not look like mosquitoes at all. So Nancy is saying larvae means baby mosquitoes. They are small mosquitoes, but they don't look like mosquitoes. Aarti, where did you see them? Nancy, there was an old pot lying behind our house. It was full of water for some days. When I looked there, I saw some tiny thread-like grey things swimming. I was surprised when mummy told me that this has came out of the eggs which mosquitoes lay in water. So what Nancy is saying that I have seen this larvae while there was an old pot. मेरे घर के पीछे एक old pot पड़ा हुआ था जो पानी से भरा हुआ था काफ़ी दिनों तक. And in that, when I looked in that, there were some small tiny thread like grey things swimming. कुछ धागे जैसा छोटी छोटी वो कुछ पानी के अंदर दे वर स्विमिंग एंड आई वॉज सरप्राइज्ड जब मम्मी ने मुझे बताया कि दिस आर द एग्स दैट मस्कीटोज ले इन वाटर। ये मस्कीटोज के एग्स है जो वो पानी के अंदर ले करते हैं। दे आर कॉल्ड लार्वे और ये छोटे छोटे जो उनके एग्स होते हैं दैट आर नोन एज लार्वे, दे आर बेबी मस्कीटोज। आई ऑल्सो हर्ड समथिंग अबाउट दिस ऑन द रेडियो और रेडियो पे भी मैंने इसके बारे में सुना है। रजत, what did you do? Nancy, Papa immediately threw away the water. He cleaned and dried the pot and kept it upside down so that no water could collect. So what Rajat did told then that after that what you did if you found that pot with water and there were larvae in it, then what you did? तो नैन्सी इज सेइंग दैट माई पापा इमीजिएटली थ्रू अवे द वाटर, उसको फेंक के उसको क्लीन करके सुखा के ही कैप्ट इट अपसाइड डाउन, मतलब उसको उल्टा करके रख दिया सो दैट नो वाटर विल अगेन गेट कलेक्ट इन टू इट एंड नो मस्कीटोज कैन lay their eggs in it. Jaskirat, Sazia auntie told me that even flies spread disease, especially stomach problems. So what she is saying that some auntie told her that flies are also spread disease which are related to stomach problems. And yes, flies, you know, मक्खियाँ, what they do, they don't bite. वो हमें काटते नहीं हैं, but they spread disease. They spread disease. How they spread disease? They sit on the food, they sit on the spoiled thing, dirty things, on germs, कचरे पे बैठते हैं, ये सारी चीज़ों पे बैठ के आके सीधे हमारे खाने पे बैठ जाते हैं या फिर हमारे बॉडी में बैठ जाते हैं. तो ड्यू टू दिस व्हाट हैपन्स, दे स्प्रेड द disease. They spread, we eat, then we then eat that food, we touch our body like that anywhere, and then due to that we also get in contact with the disease which flies spread. Now find out and tell, have you seen any poster like this put up anywhere? जैसे हमने आगे पोस्टर देखा, ऐसा कोई पोस्टर you have seen anywhere? Yes, nowadays we are saying it very much on the roadside about the awareness of COVID-19. Yes, you must have also seen. What do you think put up such posters or give ads in the newspaper? Why do you think they put up? Who do you think they put ups? तो ये कौन लगाता है ये posters and all that things? तो government they put up these posters and ads in the newspaper to spread awareness. What are some of the important points given in the poster? So important points given in the poster are: do not let the water collect around your house, fill up the pits, clean the water pots, cooler and tanks, then use mosquitoes net, spray kerosene or water or oil, okay, at water collected places. So these are the things that are important points given in the poster. Why do you think picture of a tank, cooler and pits are shown in the poster? So why do you think this tanks and coolers and pits के posters दिखाए यहाँ पे pictures दिखाए? Because these are the place where water get collected and you don't have to let the water get collected at such place. You have to clean it. You have to clean the tank, cooler, etc. and pits you have to fill it so that no water gets collected over there and no disease has been spread with it. Now think, why do you think it talks about putting fish in the tank? Why do you think what do you think the fish eats? So fish को क्यों हमें पानी के अंदर डालना है? Why do you think that fish, what do you think the fish eats? फिश को हमें इसलिए पानी के अंदर डालना है ताकि वो उसके अंदर, पानी के अंदर स्टैगनेंट वाटर होता है, स्टेबल वाटर होता है. तो व्हाट हैपन्स, देर आर सम काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दैट ग्रो इन द वाटर, दैट इज स्मॉल एल्गे टाइप थिंग. एल्गे इस मतलब क्या, वो लील जो बोलते हैं हम, लील जम जाती है. एंड ऑन दैट लील व्हाट हैपन्स, दिस मस्कीटोज, दिस फ्लाइज, दे कम एंड सिट and small they lay eggs over there, and from there mosquitoes are being generated and they spread disease. So what does this fish do? Fish eat up all these eggs and they it becomes the food of the fish. So due to that what happens, less number of mosquitoes we can find over there. What will happen when oil is spread on the water? When oil is spread on the water, at that time water. So why this oil is spread on the water? So the thin layer of the oil on the water, they prevents oxygen supply to eggs and larvae. मतलब small mosquitoes को they supply oxygen of mosquitoes, and thus on spreading this, on putting the oil or kerosene, they are killed. वो मर जाते हैं उसके अंदर. So that's why we spread oil on the water. Find out which diseases are spread by flies and how. So flies and mosquitoes are two different things. Mosquitoes, they bite us, but fly, they do not bite us. They just sit on. They just what you can say. Flies, they spread disease such as cholera, typhoid, dysentery. These things flies spread. And how they are spreading, I told you earlier that they sit on the dirt, they sit on dirty things, spoiled food, and they again come and sit on our food or on our body, and due to that the disease are being spread. Mosquitoes check. Divide your class into 2 or 3 groups. Each group will go around to check one area in school or around it. It must carefully note if water has collected anywhere and mark tick where it finds stagnant water. Now you have to do an activity over here. In your school, you have to make 2-3 groups, and you have to check the area in school or around it where the water has been collected, anywhere or not. And if you find stagnant water, means stable water, you have to put a tick. Pot, cooler, tank, any open space in the school ground, gutter, any other place. So this is an activity. We will just read as we are not going to do it. Since how many days has water collected there? We don't know, because we are not doing it practically. Has it caused any problem in the area? Who is responsible for keeping this place clean? Who is supposed to get the gutters and drain repair? Can any larvae be seen in the collected water? So yes, we can see the larvae in collected water. And who is supposed to get the gutters and drain repaired? That is the municipality. Who is responsible for keeping this place clean? We ourselves also, school also, as well as municipality is also responsible. Okay. Now what is the another thing? That is make a poster. You have to make a poster showing. This is also an activity, students. You have to make a poster. In your group, make a poster with a message to keep the cooler, tanks, drain and the area clean. Wherever water gets collected, put up your poster in and around your school. You have to make a poster keeping that clean, all these things clean, and wherever water is collected. And next is find out who is responsible for keeping the area around your school clean. Write a letter to your class reporting your findings and suggestion. Find out to whom the letter should be written and to which office it should be sent. So किसकी जिम्मेदारी है आपके स्कूल के आसपास की एरिया क्लीन रखने की, और ये तो आपको एक लेटर लिखना है गिविंग द सजेशंस, रिपोर्टिंग दैट दिस थिंग इज हैपनिंग इन आवर स्कूल और अराउंड आवर स्कूल, सो यू आर नीड टू जस्ट कम एंड क्लीन इट. So whom do you will write and to which office it would be sent? So we should write it letter to the municipal corporation and it is sent to the municipality of your particular area. Okay. Now survey report. Some children did this survey. Here are some of their reports. Some children means they found out which area in their school is been collected with water and all that, and they have given the report of it. So group 1 has given some another report and group 2 has also given a report. So what is the group 1? We found something green around the taps in our school which is called algae. It was also slippery there. The algae spreads a lot during the rainy season. We think that they are some kind of small plants that grow in water. So what they are saying that we found something green around the taps. School के आजू बाजू टैप के आजू बाजू we have found something green color thing and that is called algae. As I told you, what is algae? Algae means in Gujarati we say लील बोलते हैं उसे. And it is slippery. वो slippery होता है. If you keep your leg, you will get slipped on it. Okay. एंड दिस इज स्प्रेड मोस्टली ड्यूरिंग रेनी सीजन. आपने कई बार देखा होगा रेनी सीजन में ये ज़्यादा जम जाता है. And we think that they are small kind of plants that grow in water, and they are small plants that is always grown in water. Okay, now what group 2 has found? There is a pond near the school. At first you cannot see the water in the pond as it is completely covered with plant. So they are saying, second group is saying that there is a pond in our school and we cannot see that pond because it is completely covered with plant. One auntie told us that this plant have grown themselves in water. Around the ponds there are pits full of water. We also saw some larvae in the water. As we moved around, lots of mosquito flew from the plant growing around. So what they are saying, that one auntie told that these plants are grown automatically. No one has sown them. दे हैव ग्रोन themselves इन द वाटर. एंड अराउंड द पॉन्ड देर आर पिट. गड्ढे हैं बहुत सारे जो पानी से भरे हुए, और उस गड्ढे के अंदर छोटे छोटे लार्वे हैं, मीन्स बेबी मस्किटोज आर देर. एंड एज वी वे वॉकिंग फ्रॉम देर, मैनी ऑफ द मस्किटोज फ्लू फ्रॉम दैट प्लांट. Jaskirat feels that there are so many mosquitoes in her house because of this dirty pond nearby. Now Jaskirat came to know that why she was having mosquitoes at her home, because this pond was full of plant covered here, and so because of that mosquitoes have took place in that water. Now tell, is there a pond or river around your house or school? Go and look around and observe this thing. If you are having any pond or anything around your school, so you have to just go and visit that place and you can answer the following questions over there. Can you see algae in or around the water? Yes, if the water is collected you can see algae. लील जम जाती है तुरंत ही अगर पानी जहाँ पे भी जमा हो. Where else have you seen algae? We have seen algae in many places such as river के पास, ponds के पास, या फिर हमारे घर के गार्डन के पास जहाँ पे ज़्यादा पानी भर जाता है, या फिर रोड पे. all such places which is not cleaned sometimes can form algae in rainy season. Are the plants growing on the side or in water? Find out their names. Draw some of this in your notebook. Are they plants? Yes, they are growing in water or inside of the water. Do you think these were planted by someone or did they grow on their own? Yes, they grew on their own. No one has planted this algae over here. What else can you see in water? Make a list. What all things you can see in water? You have to make a list. Means like mosquitoes, larvae, or this algae, such kind of things. Whatever you can see, you have to make a list. Now there is a story regarding Ronald Ross, a scientist who has peeped into a mosquito's stomach and to find out that why it has been caused, means how the malaria has been spread. So it is an interesting incident that took place when Ronald Ross was doing this experiment. So let's see the experiment. A scientist peeped into a mosquito's stomach. This interesting incident took place almost 100 years ago. A scientist found out that mosquitoes spread malaria. Let's read about this discovery in his own word. Now, this is a scientist, Ronald Ross, who has did this experiment 100 years ago, and he had found out that how mosquitoes spread malaria. My father was a general in Indian Army. I studied to become a doctor, but what I really liked was reading stories, writing poetry, music and drama. In my free times, I enjoyed doing all this. So what this Ronald Ross is saying, that his father was general in Indian Army, but he wanted to read and write. He really liked reading stories. He used to write poetry. He loved music and drama, and he wanted to become a doctor. And in his free time he did all this activity. In those days, thousands of people used to die from a disease that we all call malaria. The malaria was found in areas where there was lot of rain or in swampy places. People thought that the illness was caused by some poisonous gas that came from the dirty swampy areas. They gave it the name malaria, which means bad air. One doctor had seen tiny germs in the blood of one of the patients when he observed it under a microscope, but he could not understand how this has got into the patient's blood. So what happened? before in those days, means at that time, thousands of people were dying due to a disease known as malaria, and this malaria has spread because of lots of rain, and swampy means dirty area, dirty places. People thought that illness is मीन्स ये बीमारी इसलिए फैली है ताकि कोई पॉइजनस गैस फैला हुआ है फ्रॉम द डर्टी स्वैम्पी एरिया, मीन्स डर्टी प्लेस, डर्टी गंदगी वाली एरिया से, एंड दे गेव द नेम मलेरिया. मलेरिया का मतलब है बैड एयर, गंदी हवा. एंड डॉक्टर हैड सीन सम टाइनी जम्स. जब उन्होंने ब्लड टेस्ट किया था किसी का, तब उन्होंने देखा था उसके अंदर छोटे छोटे टाइनी जम्स है उसके अंदर, जो उसने माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर रख के देखा. देन एट दैट टाइम ही केम टू नो, बट ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ दिस हैज़ गॉट इन टू पेशेंट्स ब्लड. उसको ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि पेशेंट के ब्लड के अंदर ये कैसे ये सारे जर्म्स चले गए. माई प्रोफेसर हैड सम आइडिया अबाउट दिस. आई थिंक दैट दिस मे be carried by some kind of mosquito. As his student, I spend all my time chasing mosquitoes to catch and observe. तो ही सेइंग दैट हिज प्रोफेसर, जो उससे भी बड़े थे, जो उसको सिखाते थे, हिज प्रोफेसर हैड आइडिया अबाउट दिस, एंड आई थिंक दैट दिस मे बी कैरिड बाय सम काइंड ऑफ मस्कीटोज. मीन्स वो बोल रहा है कि कोई ऐसा मस्कीटोज है जो ये पकड़ पकड़ के लेके जाते हैं. और एज अ स्टूडेंट व्हाट हैपेंड, आई वाज कीप ऑन स्पेंडिंग ऑल माय टाइम चेजिंग मस्कीटो. मतलब मक्खियों को, मच्छरों को पकड़ने में ही मेरा पूरा दिन चला जाता था और उनको ऑब्जर्व करने में चला जाता था. वी यूज्ड टू कैरी एम्प्टी बॉटल्स एंड चेज मस्कीटोज आफ्टर मस्कीटोज. Then we would put the mosquitoes into a mosquito net in which there was a patient of malaria. वो क्या करते थे कि वो अपने साथ एक एम्प्टी बॉटल रखते थे, जिससे क्या होता था कि उस एम्प्टी बॉटल में दे यूज टू कीप द मस्कीटोज, and then they used to put that mosquito in the patient's net, mosquito's net, where they are having fever and they are sleeping because of malaria. The mosquitoes would have a feast biting this patient. उनको एक तो लंच, उनको एक दावत मिल गई कि उनको बार बार उसी पेशेंट को काटने का मौका मिला था. The patients were paid 1 anna for allowing 1 mosquitoes to bite them. And the patients were also given rupees. पैसे दिए जाते थे कि 1 आना देंगे अगर उनको एक मस्कीटो ने बाइट किया हो, तो एक मस्कीटो अगर काटता है तो उनको 1 आना मिलेगा. I always remember those days at the hospital in Secunderabad, how we used to cut open the mosquito's stomach and peep into it. I would spend hours and hours bent over the mosquitoes, but my neck would be stiff and my eyes could not see clearly. It used to be very hot, but we dared not fan ourselves as all the mosquitoes would fly off in the breeze. Once I also fell ill with malaria. So what he is saying that he remembered his olden days about when he was having this experiment in Secunderabad, and he came to know that how we used to cut the mosquito's stomach. वो उसको मस्कीटोज के पेट को काट के उसके अंदर देखते थे, झांक के, पीप करके. एंड आई वुड स्पेंड, मीन्स ही इज सेइंग दैट मैं घंटों निकाल देता था उस माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर बैठे बैठे एंड फाइंड करते करते. उसकी आंखें दुख हो जाती थी, स्टिफ हो जाती थी, उसका बॉडी स्टिफ हो जाता था, उसकी नेक स्टिफ हो जाती थी, उसकी आंखें ठीक से देख नहीं पाती थी. एंड दे डोंट इवन यूज टू ऑन द फैन. If whether it was hot also, then also they were not allowed to switch on the fan, because if they would switch on the fan, the mosquitoes would, being light in weight, would fly off with the breeze. And he has also felt ill because of this malaria one time. I spent months like this with the microscope but could not find anything. One day we caught a few mosquitoes that looked different. They were brownish with spotted wings. When I looked into the stomach of one of the female mosquitoes, I saw something black there. I looked closer. I saw these tiny germs looked just like the ones that were found in the blood of malaria patient, and at last we had the proof. Mosquitoes did spread malaria. So what is saying that I have spent months निकाल दिए मैंने माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर देखते देखते कि कौन से मस्कीटोज़ के अंदर ये जर्म्स है, सेम जर्म्स है, कहाँ से फैला है. तो but they couldn't find anything. And one day what happened, they found a different type of mosquito that was brownish with spotted wings. ब्राउन कलर का था, जिसके विंग्स में स्पॉट थे। और जब उन्होंने देखा तो इट वॉज अ फीमेल मॉस्किटो, एंड व्हेन दे सॉ समथिंग ब्लैक इनसाइड इट, दे लुक्ड क्लोजर, और वही सेम टाइप के जर्म्स दे फाउंड दैट वाज फाउंड इन द मलेरिया पेशेंट बॉडी। जब ब्लड टेस्ट किया था, जो जर्म्स उनको देखने मिले वही जर्म्स ये फीमेल मस्कीटोज़ के अंदर देखने मिले। एंड दिस फीमेल मस्कीटोज़ विच स्प्रेड मलेरिया इज़ नोन एज Anopheles mosquitoes. At last we had the proof, and they got the proof that yes, mosquitoes do spread malaria, but that also female mosquitoes. In December 1902, Ronald Rose got the highest award for his discovery, the Nobel Prize for Medicine. In 1905, even as he lay dying, Rose's last words were, I will find something new. So in 1902, रोनाल्ड रॉड वॉज अवॉर्डेड फॉर दिस हिज डिस्कवरी। उसने जो ये मलेरिया के ऊपर मस्कीटोज से मलेरिया कैसे फैलता है ये रिसर्च किया था, इसलिए उसे नोबेल प्राइज़ से ही वॉज अवॉर्डेड। इन 1905 इवन ही वॉज लाइंग डेथ, मतलब मरने की ताबात पे था। देन ऑल्सो ही केप्ट ऑन सेइंग दैट आई विल फाइंड समथिंग न्यू, आई विल फाइंड समथिंग न्यू। फिर भी उसे कुछ अलग ढूंढने की कोशिश थी, but he was not able to do that. But his last words before dying were also the same thing, that I will find something new. Okay, so with this we have completed this chapter, students. I hope you have understood the chapter very well. Okay, so we will end our chapter over here. So thank you, students, and take care. Bye.